pretty one right here, about 2 pounds, and he ate that jig. So pretty good choice. Little largie on the crankbait. Looks like they're schooling right now in front of me. Another little largie on the lipless crank. They're schooling up right now in front of me. As you can see on the depth finder, they're going crazy. Let's go ahead and let this little guy go. Let him eat some more shad. Sorry I had the camera off for this one. Nice little ladybird-like bass. Caught her on the Strike King crankbait. Bounced it off a rock and gave it a pause, and as it was floating up, she hammered it. Go ahead and release her. Pretty fish. Whoa. Got another pretty one on the Strike King crankbait, which makes sense since they've been schooling up, blowing up on shad all day. I know that's what they're feeding on.